Welcome, fellow Ford F350 van owners. Today we're tackling a common maintenance task that often involves replacing both your rotors and bearing assembly simultaneously. It's a straightforward process, and by doing them together, you're ensuring your braking system is in top shape. First things first, we'll need to remove the wheel. Once that's off, we'll move on to the brakes, specifically removing the brake caliper. After that, you'll find a cover protecting the rotor. Remove that cover, and you'll see a 24mm bolt. Taking out this bolt will allow you to slide out the old bearing. Once the bearing is out, the brake rotor will also slide off easily. Now, your F350 is ready for its new bearing and rotor assembly to make this replacement smooth and successful. And we'll show you exactly how to get your van back on the road with...
You really went all in on this random article.
And I want to read it.
Yeah, just not sure how I feel about reading.